In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete multiple conversations in ChatGPT. Managing your chat history can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially if you have countless conversations piling up. But don't worry, I'm here to make it easy for you. We'll go through this step by step using a handy tool called Declutter GPT. Let's start by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, go ahead and type in Declutter GPT into the search bar. This will bring up a variety of results, but the one we're looking for is titled Declutter GPT Bulk Delete and Archive Chats. Click on that link to navigate to the site. Once you're on the Declutter GPT page, you should see an option to add it to Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome, and then follow that up by selecting Add Extension. This will install the necessary tool to help clean up your ChatGPT conversations. If you're not using Chrome, the process might be slightly different, but the general steps will be the same. Now that the extension is installed, go back to Google and type in ChatGPT into the search bar. Find the ChatGPT website and click on it to open it. When you're on the ChatGPT homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll see an icon that represents your extensions. Click on this icon to bring up a list of all your installed extensions. From the list, find Declutter GPT and click on it. This will open up the tool and allow you to use its features. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Select Conversations. This option will let you choose which chats you want to delete. Simply go through your list of chats and click on the ones that you no longer need. Once you've selected all the chats you wish to get rid of, go back to the Declutter GPT tool. You should now see an option labeled Bulk Delete. Click on that, and a confirmation dialog will most likely pop up to make sure you're certain about deleting the selected conversations. If you're sure, click OK to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully bulk deleted multiple conversations using ChatGPT, leaving your chat history organized and clutter-free. Remember, while Declutter GPT makes it incredibly easy to manage your chat history, only delete messages if you're absolutely sure you won't need them in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions down in the comments below if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy decluttering.